Are you looking for the top 5 budget above-ground pools you can buy on Amazon? Before buying an above-ground pool, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Celots Inflatable Pool. First up is this Celots Inflatable Pool. This one's a hefty 120 inches long and 72 inches wide, priced at just $69.98. It caught my eye because it's designed to hold up to 2 adults and 3 to 5 kids, making it a perfect fit for family gatherings. If you want a spacious inflatable pool for summer fun, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 312-liter capacity means you can enjoy a splashing pool party right in your backyard. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, which is a must for keeping your kids safe while they play. The design is thicker than most on the market, which means fewer punctures and a longer lifespan. Setup's breeze too. It inflates in just 3 to 4 minutes with an electric pump, and the drainage is quick thanks to the built-in valves. Now, some people complained about the size, feeling it might be too small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a pool primarily for kids, the size is pretty spot on. But if you have a lot of adults joining in, this might feel a bit cramped. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for a family pool day. Skip this one if you often host larger parties, but for a casual backyard hangout, it's fantastic. Product number 2, Rukala Inflatable Pool Bundle. Next up, we have the Rukala Inflatable Pool Bundle. At 10 feet by 6 feet and costing $74.99, it comes with an electric pump and ground tarp, which is a nice bonus. If you want something that's quick to set up and can fit the whole family, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The electric pump inflates this pool in just 3 minutes, saving you time and hassle. No more exhausting manual inflation. With a capacity of 400 gallons, it's spacious enough for everyone to cool down together. The protective ground tarp is a smart addition too. It prevents sticks and rocks from causing any damage. And the extra thick PVC material is designed for durability, so it should hold up well over the years. Now, some users noted that it could be a bit tricky to drain fully. Here's the thing though, as long as you get a good angle while draining, it's manageable. Just keep in mind that a little extra effort might be needed. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a family-friendly pool that's easy to set up. Product number 3, Rukala Inflatable Pool with Seats. The third product is another from Rukala. This time it's the inflatable pool with seats. Priced at $99.99. It's 8 feet by 8 feet and comes with an electric pump and ground tarp. If you want a comfy spot to lounge while keeping cool, this might be the option for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in seats and headrests mean you can relax while keeping your feet in the water. The pool holds 400 gallons, perfect for family or friends. The electric pump inflates it in just 3 minutes, which means you can get to the fun faster. Plus, that protective tarp is included, ensuring your pool stays safe from the ground. Some folks mentioned that the seats can be a little uncomfortable after a while. Here's the thing though, it's great for short hangs and cooling off, which is what summer is all about. If you're planning longer sessions, you might want to bring a cushion. This is perfect for you if you want a relaxing... Product number 4, Intex Metal Frame 10-foot Pool. Next, we have the Intex Metal Frame 10-foot by 30-inch above-ground pool set. It's priced at $94.39, and it's built with a sturdy metal frame that's designed to last. If you're looking for something more durable and traditional, this could be the right pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pool holds 1,185 gallons, so it's big enough for swimming and splashing around. The setup is incredibly quick too. You can have it ready in about 30 minutes without any tools. The metal frame provides a solid foundation, resisting rust and wear. And it's made of puncture-resistant material, which is crucial for keeping the pool intact all summer long. Now, a few reviews pointed out that it doesn't come with a pump, which is a bummer. But here's the thing, you can find compatible pumps easily, and the price point still makes it a great option for a strong, reliable pool. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy pool that can withstand some
Product number 5, Intex Metal Frame 12-foot Pool. Last but not least, we have the Intex Metal Frame 12-foot by 30-inch above-ground pool set, priced at $90.23. It's slightly larger than the previous option, making it great for more space. If you want something that can accommodate a larger group without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a capacity of 1,718 gallons, this pool is perfect for lounging or swimming, and it's built to last with the same durable frame and puncture-resistant material. The assembly is quick, just like the other Intex pool, and it also includes a repair patch for added security. You can count on it for summer after summer. Some reviews mention that it can take a bit more effort to maintain due to its size. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about having a pool, a little maintenance is part of the deal. The quality and space it provides make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pool that can host.
So, to wrap this up, if you're looking for inflatable options, Celotots and Rukala have solid picks for casual fun. For something more permanent, Intex offers durable solutions that can handle the summer heat. Each has its benefits, so think about what works best for your needs. Enjoy the summer!